In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF function in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data. And the SUMIF function is one of those functions that can really enhance your ability to process information efficiently. It allows you to sum up numbers that meet a specific criterion within a range. So, let's dive right in and see how you can use this feature to your advantage. To get started, you'll first want to make sure you have a Google account, as you need it to access Google Sheets. Once you're logged in, the first step is to open a Google Sheet. Either open an existing one or create a new spreadsheet if you're starting fresh. This sets you up in a workspace where you can experiment with the SUMIF function and see how it works in real time. Now, with your spreadsheet open, identify the cell where you want the result of your SUMIF calculation to appear. For our example, let's click on cell A23. This is where your summed data will be displayed. Ensure you've selected the correct cell before you proceed, as this will be the destination for the results of your function. The next step is perhaps the most crucial one, where you'll actually input the SUMIF formula. Click into cell A23 and type in the following formula. SUMIF A1, A20, do 10. Let's break down what this formula means. A1, A20 is the range of cells you're evaluating. In this case, it's a range from cell A1 through to A20. The criteria, U10, instructs Google Sheets to sum all values in this range that are equal to or greater than 10. This is a powerful way to filter and calculate only the data points that matter to your analysis or report. Once you've typed in the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action prompts Google Sheets to execute the formula and calculate the sum based on the criteria you specified. Keep an eye on cell A23. If everything is set up correctly, you should see it populate with the sum of numbers from cells A1 to A20 that are 10 or greater. And there you have it, a straightforward demonstration of how to use the SUMIF function in Google Sheets. As a tip, remember that the formula is flexible, and you can adjust the range and criteria to suit different datasets and needs. By mastering this function, you can quickly perform conditional sums and streamline your data analysis tasks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.